Annoying noises that I hate, let's go. Starting off with number 5, constant tapping. It's so distracting and frustrating, especially when people seem oblivious to its impact. It's a small thing that can really disrupt concentration and peace. Number 4, loud chewing. Loud chewing is annoying because the sound can be intrusive and distracting, making it hard to ignore or relax. Plus, you see the slop coming out of their mouth if they consume it. Yuck. Number 3, chalkboard scrapping. This sound is unbearably irritating and gives me a strange sense. Number 2, the Apple alarm ringing. That goddamn morning alarm gives me the chills, like my heart drops every time I have to deal with it. Waking up for school, knowing I gotta face that shit again, makes me wanna bang my head against the wall. If you made it this far in the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Number 1 $1 million baby. If I hear this fucking song one more time, I am cutting my ears off.